Dr. Martin Salia's story, When Grief Becomes Purpose. There are moments in life that change everything, moments you do not prepare for, moments that leave you standing but completely broken inside. When my husband passed, it did not just feel like loss. It felt like I had fallen from the highest place imaginable, and everything in me shattered. For years, I did not know how to move forward. Grief became our reality. There were days we could not understand anything, days where the silence was too loud, days where the weight of it all felt unbearable. If it were not for God, we would not be standing here today. There were moments I felt like Job in the Bible, stripped, broken, questioning, yet still holding on. And if it were not for our children, I do not know where we would have found the strength to continue. But somewhere in the middle of the pain, something happened. At midnight, in deep agony, the Lord spoke, not in noise, not in confusion, but through the cries of people. Orphans began to cry, "Mommy, Daddy is no more. Does that mean we will not go to school again?" Widows we had supported were crying, refusing to be comforted, not only because of the loss, but because of the fear of the unknown. What would happen to them now? What would happen to their families? To answer the cries we heard in the night, we realized something powerful. Pain can break you, or pain can build you. It all depends on what you choose to do with it. We chose purpose. We chose legacy. We chose to rise even when it was hard. And from that place, the Dr. Martin Salia Family Foundation was born, not just to remember him, but to continue him, to help orphans, to support widows, to strengthen families, and by the grace of God, to do even more. We remembered how he cared for the underprivileged, how he reached widows, how he paid tuition for orphans, how our home became a place of healing for so many. And we asked ourselves, can this continue? That is when we made a decision. We would not allow grief to end the story. We would allow it to give birth to purpose. In that moment, and it became clear, this loss was not only ours, it was shared, and something began to shift. We began to think deeply, not just about the loss, but about his life, his vision, his heart for people. And today, what once felt like an ending has become a beginning, because grief did not destroy the vision, it gave birth to it. This is not just a story of loss. This is a story of transformation, a story of faith, a story of choosing to live when everything in you feels like giving up. Dr. Martin Salia's life continues, not just in memory, but in mission. And this is only the beginning. If this story has touched your heart, be a part of this mission. Stand with us. Follow this page or channel to be part of this journey. Share this story so it can reach someone who needs hope. Support the Dr. Martin Salia Family Foundation and help us continue this legacy, because someone, somewhere, is still crying in the night, and together we can answer them.